On this account, I say to you, stop being anxious about your lives as to what you will eat or what you will drink, or about your bodies as to what you will wear. Does not life mean more than food, and the body than clothing? Observe intently the birds of heaven. They do not sow seed or reap or gather into storehouses. Yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not worth more than they are? Who of you, by being anxious, can add 1 cubit to his lifespan? Also, why are you anxious about clothing? Take a lesson from the lilies of the field, how they grow. They do not toil, nor do they spin. But I tell you that not even Solomon, in all his glory, was arrayed as one of these. Now, if this is how God clothes the vegetation of the field, that is here today and tomorrow is thrown into the oven, will he not much rather clothe you, you with little faith? So never be anxious and say, what are we to eat? Or what are we to drink? Or what are we to wear? For all these are the things the nations are eagerly pursuing. Your heavenly Father knows that you need all these things. Keep on then, seeking first the kingdom and his righteousness, and all these other things will be added to you. So never be anxious about the next day, for the next day will have its own anxieties. Each day has enough of its own troubles.